Everyone. Um, Hi everyone. I'm here again. I took a little while. So quickly, I was asked to build this workspace for Vital Care Clinic where I built patient appointment and staff management board. So the task is to help them set their workspace and to set automations and be able to make their workspace very professional. First of all, in any hospital settings, there must be an appointment board where people are scheduled, either they are in consultation, whether they have completed, or those who were cancelled for one reason or the other. And this is exactly what the demo, this is a demo of how I set it up and explain to the management what is obtainable and how it's supposed to look like, you know. So now this is the appointment board where we have the scheduled names of patients, their status, these are columns, the phone number, appointment date, appointment time. All these columns, in monday.com, they have specific names given to columns of what you're looking for. Like this one, this is a short note, status page. This is multiple select or drop down. Then we have this staff and schedule. You'll be asking yourself, oh, I said I curated appointment board and then we have staff and schedule board. No, what it means is that I use the connecting board. You can see it here. This is a connecting board. When you click on this now, this is how I was able to connect this board to appointment board. Then also the mirror, there is also a mirror column. So this place mirror is a mirror column for showing their departments. Sorry, I've not renamed this. Then this is mirror showing the duty. What is the essence of this connecting board and mirroring? It shows that when a manager or whoever that comes to the appointment board, whether in consultation or scheduled, completed or cancelled, you don't need to start going to the staff and schedule board to start knowing, oh, which doctor or which nurse, which lab technician is available at the moment. So that is the essence of creating these mirror boards and the connecting boards. So this one as well is a formula column whereby if payment is unpaid, let it be chase automatically goes towards chase payment. Then if it's paid, it becomes what cleared. Do you get? So when you click on this, because I chose a formula column, this is what happens. If payment status is equal to unpaid, it's chase payment. Then if it's paid, it is what? It is cleared. Do we get it? Now that is how that place is run. This one as well, if appointment date is greater than today or equals to 0, appointment date. So when you do it, it gives you this. So note, first time, just normal, when you're scheduled first time visit, referred case requires, this is when you come at the first time. So from the schedule you move to consultation. In consultation, so whatever columns that you see in schedule is the same thing that was replicated here, although that their informations are different based on the patient's name and the time of appointment and whoever that manages them and the rest of it. Then when you check this automation, I ran an automation here where I said when status changes to schedule, notify the what? Assign doctor. In case you have somebody is coming to the hospital for the first time and you come here, I said when the status changes to schedule, it's already here, so it will, let's say, in consultation. And when the status now changes to scheduled, what happened? An automation will, you see it, You can see it here, an automation sent a notification about them. So that is what it does. So when you set this automate, so practically when somebody now move from schedule to in consultation and you set the automation is still going to do what? To run. Do you get it? So this is the staff schedule board. Let's look at what is there. The staff schedule board has the on duty, on leave, and off roster, and some of these columns are also done. Some are drop down, like the department is drop down, sorry, single select. Then we have shift length. That is also a formula column where you check the difference, the days, or the number of days between the shift start and the shift end. That is how it is calculated. And you know, in a hospital there are shift days and shift end. So for people who are off roster, I practically did not want to put dates here, so there is no shift length. These are people who are off roster, but maybe due to emergency they were called to do one or two and all that. Then when we go back to this appointment board, there are other views that you can see here. That when the management comes, you want to see calendar, you don't want to start looking at it, you can come here and check and say, oh, let us see those who are in consultation and those who are scheduled. This is how you can do it. You check it. Those who has this red icon is for those in consultation, and those on yellow is scheduled this thing. Then you come here, and this place is talking about what? For us to count number of patients who are under follow-up, lab, general practice, and seeing a specialist. And that is all about that. Then I have talk about the staff schedule board. Remember, you can, this is a dashboard, this is a main dashboard now, and you will know how to create that dashboard. When you come here, there is a dashboard, you click here and you name it a dashboard. Here I put it as what? Vital care overview. I use a number widget which I connected to what? The appointment board, what I'm looking for. Then this one I connected it to what? A staff schedule board, because this is to also count those lab technicians, those in admin, how many doctors and nurses that we have. And this table widget is for us to know how many persons who are appointments that are what? Unpaid. So before you can do any of this, when you're adding a widget, you have to what? Connect what? Your boards. So because of time, so that is it. So a hospital can always approach tech specialists, people who build systems just like me, and we can set automations running for you, can do your work, build your workspace for you, and get it running without lifting, without having to do it manually.